Once upon a time, in a land filled with delicious treats, lived a kind old man named Mr. Candy. He had a magical candy factory where he made the most scrumptious candies in the world. One day, Mr. Candy noticed that his candies were not as sweet as they used to be. He was puzzled and worried. He decided to embark on an adventure to find the secret ingredient that would make his candies delightfully sweet again. He packed his bag with a hat, a pair of gloves, and a magnifying glass, and off he went. He walked through the forest, over the hills, and across the meadows, asking every creature he met about the secret ingredient. A wise old owl told him, "To make your candies truly sweet, you must find the golden sugar cane from the Enchanted Grove." With newfound determination, Mr. Candy continued his journey. He finally reached the Enchanted Grove, where the golden sugar cane was guarded by a mischievous gnome named Glim. Glim was known for playing tricks on those who came to get the sugar cane. Mr. Candy, however, was too kind and gentle to play any tricks. Glim, seeing his kindness, allowed him to take the golden sugar cane. Mr. Candy thanked Glim and returned to his factory. Back at the factory, Mr. Candy used the golden sugar cane to make the most delicious candies the world had ever tasted. The children of the land were overjoyed, and the candies brought smiles to everyone who ate them. From that day forward, Mr. Candy continued to make his candies with the golden sugar cane, always sharing them with everyone. And they all lived happily ever after, in a world filled with sweetness and kindness. The end. 98 sentences.